In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign. First, go to the Email Marketing tab. Then, in the sidebar under Campaigns, click Create Campaign. On this page, you'll see a couple options. There's Create Campaign and Create A/B Campaign. The difference between these is that an A/B campaign allows you to rotate multiple subject lines, messages, and from name. However, we're going to go with normal Create Campaign for now. So click on Create Campaign. The first field is the campaign name. This is not the subject line. It is used for your own reference to refer to the campaign. Let's call this my test campaign. Here is the start date and time. Our account is set to Central Standard Time, which is the time we see here. Next is our subject field. We will type, "Please visit my website." We can also put emojis by clicking on this emoji icon. The next option is to insert a personalized field and requires clicking on a list first. I'll just click on a list here. Now I'll have the option to choose the personalized fields. There are not really any good fields available. Let's see if this other list is better. Okay, good. This has first name. So we will insert first name into my subject line. The other options here are if you want to generate AI suggestions using AI credits. Next is spin text, which will be a topic for another video. Our next field is the from name. We will put my biz. Next, we'll put the from address prefix. In this case, put Paul. And normally, you'd have a domain/IP for sending profile here. You would select it in this area. Next, you pick your message by clicking it and do the same for the list you want to send to. If you have a suppression list, you would select that here as well. And this is your unsubscribe footer. Under that is Send To, which has the option of full list or partial list. I am sending to the full list. Next is View as Web Page, which adds a link to the top of the message to view the message in the browser. It is not necessary if you're just doing a text-based campaign, but is suggested if you are sending images. Next, you select the sending speed. We recommend going slower at around 120 an hour, or even slower if just starting out without ramp-up. Underneath is where you find the list ramp-up settings that we suggest for when using new lists. Now for some advanced settings. You can control if you want a specific number of emails per hour. List sending behavior is useful for follow-up campaigns to the same list. You can send to normal. This simply means everybody on the list. Or you can send to openers and clickers. You can also set campaign send hours. This gives you total control over the days and time of day your campaign sends on, but is completely optional. Triggers are another more advanced setting that allow you to send an automatic follow-up email on an open or click. List conditions/segments. This is if you want to do more precise targeting. You can target specific columns in a list, such as first name. We use equals in this example when searching and enter John. This will only send to people in the list that the first name equals John. Recurring campaigns allows for the campaign to reoccur multiple times, such as every few days or every few weeks. Just keep in mind it is the exact same campaign, including subject line. The last step I recommend doing is clicking the preview campaign. A pop-up will show how the campaign will appear to those who will receive the email. Now all you have to do is click Create Campaign, and you are all set.